This activity is called building breadboard circuits. Here we have a view of the material that will be required for this activity. Starting from the right, we have uncut straws, aluminum foil, one AA battery, one mini light bulb, one strip of cardboard, and the baseboard.
In the kit, you will find these straws, and if you can see, it's actually already pre-slit for you. So the first step in this project is to cut the straw into thirds, which is approximately 2.5 inches. Using your ruler, you can measure and cut off 2.5 inches, approximately there. And you would want to cut all 3 straws into 2.5 inches.
So just go really slowly, like take 5. Let me ask it. Yeah. This is kind of weird. Look at this one.
After cutting them, you should have 9 total pieces of the straw. Next step is you would get your baseboard, and you'd want to lay the straws into these holes as pictured in the kit, which would be 1 in each hole. Please note that you can change the design any way that you'd like. This is just suggested. And then the last 3, just get it down the side, like so. Okay. The next step would be to get your piece of foil, and you'd want to cut that into 12 by 3 inches or 30 centimeters by 70 centimeter strips. And you'd want to fold this foil into long strips. You'd want at least 12 inches in length. To kind of help you with the folding, you can also use a strip of cardboard, thin cardboard, to help you fold along. The size of this cardboard is 1 centimeter by 30 centimeters, or 1/2 inch by 12 inches.
So there's a lot to surface conditions of the straw.
Maybe this isn't.
And I've got this rather sloppily made.
So, do it like so. Okay. Then after folding, you can just take out the cardboard. And you would want to cut this strip into half.
So then I'm going to say it's me. If I don't see a spark, there's a saw one out there on the floor.
Oh, you did?
Oh, yeah.
So it is that. I think you should go over. So yeah, maybe when we do it,
One side down, cut the other one into half again.
Yeah, I could see.
I'm sorry, it was on the cartoon, but I'll do it again.
Now you'd want to grab your battery, and you'd want to set that in between the straws that have already been placed into your baseboard,
Under that one, so
like
close.
so.
okay, so
Okay.
But you see how it's cut?
yeah.
It's really close.
Then you can grab one of the 1/4 pieces of foil strips that you have already cut, and you'd want to place it on each end of the battery, like so. You can wrap around the straw.
Okay. But
How is there a shot between this part and the
I'm sorry?
There's a shot
Next,
socket between this and
Well,
you'd want to get the light bulb that comes in your kit, and it has already been cut to expose the wires. You just want to remove those, the protecting the wire.
We'll videotape you.
Alright, you 1, 2,
You like to get your smaller straw,
good? Oh, good. 'Cause I couldn't see it from my end.
and you can cut that in half.
So then we start testing these variables out, since we know this, I can hear that click. Now I can see this
So-
is bigger than the CD.
So now you'll have two
That may
pieces.
be an issue.
And if you just fold each half into halves again, like so. You want to get your bulb,
No, I shouldn't.
No, I think there's a
And-
short between this file and the file.
Yeah.
on the half strip of
What
foil,
we'll do is,
you can
we'll use the
take
one
one
that we
end,
make as we're constructing the next one.
and you would like to wrap that
Yeah,
around
yeah, I can see. See
the
here?
exposed
On the
wire.
edge? You've got
You can
the
just
foil
fold it
here,
in
you
half
can see
once,
the
and
bottom
that
one
would
I
be
can
fine.
see.
Okay, so when we
So there's like nothing but an air gap, so the air gap
And
is smaller
after
than the
you've
gap
done
out
that
there.
fold, you'd want to grab one of the
Yeah.
when we draw
bread
this up,
straws that you've previously cut and folded, and just put that up and over the foil like
Now
so.
you got a good idea how it works.
You're right.
So once you've done your
Your
fold,
analysis was correct.
you'd want to stick the end of the straws into one of the
This needed
holes in the
10
baseboard.
centimeters, meaning 12.
This way it'll hold your bulb in place. And you'd want to do the same thing with the other end of the wire with the top aluminum foil that's sticking out there.
Alright, so let's
Again, you would just connect
start with the first
and
one,
fold over the wire.
and we will, I think we ought to lay out all the stuff that we have in that.
And you'd want to grab the other red straw and clip that in place.
Okay.
So as you can see, you've gotten both of your red ones in, and you would just want to wrap the longest piece of foil around some of those straws that you've already put down, like so. And you can always do it to any design that you'd like to do. This will bring our project to an end when these foils touch. As you can see, the light bulb has come on. And you remove the foil,
Is this?
touch.
Oh,
We've also added a twist to the pre-existing project here. We've taken into consideration a second AA battery. And if you actually add this into the project, you'd want the positive and negative to match up with the battery here.
CD cases are polycarbonate.
It will actually make the light bulb glow brighter. With one battery,
Whatever release agent they use, whatever technique. I've had straws that I find
with
bulk,
two
ideally,
batteries.
this is the still shot, but
and I
Alright, so
find
now
that
the
if you
first
take
thing that we need to
wrap
do
it off,
What?
it work fine, flooded bulb,
is the
and it
paper.
didn't.
So
I realize this,
With two.
the straws you shoot in. If I tore off the paper and shoot in the pocket.
And this concludes our breadboard circuit project.